Hi, this is Lillian. Welcome to my page. It's a privilege and honor to have you here again and again and again. No, honestly, thank you for coming to join me today. I have also just finished recording a communication relationship video, but now I feel that I have to talk about, just having a stressful day, or you're having one of those dull moments that you just want to curl up and you don't want to know anyone, you don't want to do anything. If you're feeling just a little bit down, this is what I'm trying to say. If you're feeling a little bit down and you're having this kind of overcast weather, and you can also have that within your mind as well sometimes. My advice to you is to just pick yourself up, grab an umbrella if it's raining, put your raincoat on, and get out of the house and start walking. And if it's in the evening, just starting to get a bit dark, go and borrow your neighbor's dog. Yes, I have 2 dogs, and I would like someone to come sometimes, and just borrow my dog for a walk. So, go and knock on the neighbor's door of who you know that have a dog, and ask if you can take their dog for a walk. So you don't need to go out by yourself, or if you're worried about going out for a walk by yourself, go and borrow your neighbor's dog. Okay, so by getting out, you're connecting yourself with you're one with nature, right? So when you're connecting yourself with nature, it's a beautiful feeling that just overcomes everything else. You're like, wow, this is just, I feel so great. Wow, this is how, I'm just sharing with you how I would feel, how I do feel when I'm like that. I'll just get myself out. And sometimes these kind of moments can be a bit expensive. You can, as ladies, would love to go get dressed, put a bit of makeup on, and go out shopping. Very expensive is not what you want. Okay? So being one with nature, just going out and walking, and you know how you feel about that. Afterwards you think, oh my goodness, I'm not the only person in this world. There are so many billions of people out there. I'm just one. How's that? So if you can feel like that and think, who can I actually go and help, or who can I cheer up? That can take you away from whatever you're thinking that you could be going through. Yourself out of the house. Don't talk about your situation. Sometimes it's not good to talk about it with people because they might give you the wrong advice. In the world, you're just this beautiful child that's so happy. Put yourself back there. Put yourself back there and see what you can come up with. And I tell you what, you'll be amazed. That's clearing yourself of all the things that we've all added on to our minds all these years. Clear it all and go back to being when you were a child. That's just another. Okay, this is Lily from New Woman again. I must say, if you would like to watch more of my videos, subscribe to my page, and do click onto the link that I have below.